Start earning $900 a day. No gimmicks, just real results. In today's fast-paced world, many people dream of financial freedom, yet often feel trapped in their 9-to-5 jobs. The idea of earning $900 a day might sound impossible to some, but with the right approach, dedication, and strategies, it's within reach. In this video, we will explore legitimate ways to achieve this income level without resorting to gimmicks or get-rich-quick schemes. Let's dive into how you can make this dream a reality. Understanding the $900 a day goal. Before we explore methods, let's break down what earning $900 a day entails. If you were to work 5 days a week, that would amount to approximately $22,500 a month, or around $270,000 a year. While this figure may seem daunting, it's crucial to remember that achieving such an income is possible through multiple income streams, smart investments, and leveraging skills. Key strategies to start earning $900 a day. 1. Freelancing and consulting. Leverage your skills. If you possess in-demand skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or digital marketing, freelancing can be a lucrative avenue. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients actively seeking your expertise. Specializing in a niche area can further enhance your appeal. Think of branding design for startups or SEO for e-commerce. Highlight your unique value proposition to stand out in a crowded marketplace. Set your rates. To reach $900 a day, consider positioning yourself as a premium service provider. For instance, charging $100 per hour means you only need to work 9 hours a day. Focus on building a compelling portfolio that showcases your best work and client testimonials. Networking can lead to high-paying clients. Don't hesitate to leverage your existing connections and seek referrals. Additionally, don't shy away from negotiating your rates based on the value you provide. Clients are often willing to pay more for quality and results. 2. E-commerce and dropshipping. Start an online store. E-commerce has seen exponential growth, making it an excellent avenue for income. By setting up a dropshipping store, you can sell products without holding inventory, significantly lowering your startup costs. Utilize platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to easily launch your store. Invest time in creating an attractive website and develop a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Effective marketing strategies, including social media advertising and email campaigns, are essential for driving traffic and converting visitors into customers. Choose the right products. The success of your e-commerce venture hinges on selecting the right products. Conduct thorough market research to identify high-demand, low-competition items. Tools like Google Trends, SEMrush, and social media analytics can provide valuable insights into consumer preferences. Focus on niche markets to increase your chances of high sales volume. Regularly analyze your sales data to adapt your product offerings and capitalize on emerging trends. 3. Real estate investing. Rental properties. Investing in real estate can provide substantial passive income streams. By purchasing rental properties, you can generate consistent monthly cash flow. Research local markets to find well-located properties with potential for appreciation. Understanding the dynamics of property management, tenant relations, and market conditions will set you up for long-term success. Consider leveraging financing options to maximize your investment potential while maintaining manageable risk levels. House flipping. If you have an eye for renovation and design, flipping houses can be a highly profitable venture. Identify undervalued properties in desirable neighborhoods, renovate them to enhance their appeal, and sell them for a profit. This requires careful planning and budgeting. Successful flippers often keep a close eye on costs and timelines. Additionally, understanding market trends will help you determine the right renovations that can yield the highest return on investment. 4. Online courses and coaching. Create educational content. If you have expertise in a specific area, consider developing an online course. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable make it easy to monetize your knowledge. Focus on delivering value through well-structured content that meets the needs of your target audience. Invest in quality production to enhance the learning experience and promote your course effectively through social media, email marketing, and partnerships with influencers. Personal coaching. For those who prefer direct interaction, one-on-one coaching can be a lucrative path. Whether it's life coaching, business mentoring, or fitness training, personalized guidance can command high fees. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to generate income by promoting products and earning commissions on sales made through your referral links. Create a blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence focused on a niche you're passionate about. Share valuable content that naturally incorporates your affiliate links, ensuring that your audience trusts your recommendations. Choose profitable niches. Selecting the right niches is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Focus on areas that offer high commissions. Digital products often yield better payouts than physical goods. Additionally, stay updated on industry trends and consumer behavior to adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. Combining affiliate marketing with a robust content strategy will maximize your reach and conversion rates, helping you achieve your income goals. 6. Stock trading and investments. Learn to trade. Stock trading can be a rewarding yet risky endeavor. To navigate this landscape successfully, it's crucial to invest time in education. Start by understanding fundamental concepts such as market trends, technical analysis, and trading strategies. Day trading and swing trading can potentially yield $900 a day, but they require a disciplined approach and an in-depth understanding of market dynamics. Consider using simulation platforms to practice your strategies without financial risk. Additionally, follow reputable financial news sources and engage with educational content from seasoned traders to stay informed and improve your trading acumen. Diversify investments. To mitigate risks, diversify your investment portfolio. Explore various asset classes, including exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mutual funds, and even cryptocurrency. ETFs and mutual funds offer exposure to a broad range of securities, reducing the impact of volatility. Cryptocurrencies, while more speculative, can provide substantial returns if approached carefully. Research is key. Stay updated on market trends, economic indicators, and emerging technologies to make informed investment decisions. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Taking action. The road to $900 a day. 1. Set clear goals. Establish specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals instead of simply aiming for $900 a day. Break this target into manageable weekly or monthly objectives. For instance, set a goal to secure a specific number of freelance clients or to achieve a certain percentage of return on your investments each month. This will not only help you stay motivated, but also provide clear benchmarks to measure your progress. 2. Create a plan. Develop a comprehensive action plan that outlines your strategies, timelines, and resources needed to reach your goals. This plan should detail your daily, weekly, and monthly activities, ensuring that you allocate time for learning, networking, and executing your income-generating strategies. A well-structured plan serves as your roadmap, guiding you through the challenges and helping you stay focused on your ultimate goal. 3. Continuously learn. The pursuit of earning $900 a day requires ongoing education and adaptation. Stay updated with trends and advancements in your chosen fields by investing in online courses, attending workshops, and reading industry-related books. Engage with communities, both online and offline, to exchange ideas and gain insights from others who share your ambitions. Continuous learning will not only enhance your skills, but also keep you competitive in a rapidly evolving landscape. 4. Network and collaborate. Building a strong network is essential for accelerating your income potential. Connect with like-minded individuals through social media platforms, industry forums, and local networking events. Collaborating with others can lead to valuable partnerships and new opportunities. Whether it's finding a mentor, joining a mastermind group, or sharing resources, these connections can provide support and guidance as you work towards your financial goals. 5. Track your progress. Regularly review your progress against the goals you've set. Utilize tools like spreadsheets or apps to track your income streams, investments, and achievements. This practice allows you to identify what's working and what needs adjustment. Celebrate small wins along the way. Recognizing progress will keep you motivated and focused. If you find that certain strategies aren't yielding the desired results, be open to tweaking your approach and exploring new avenues. Thanks for watching.